Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to create an ArchiCAD template for your projects. Before we start, we'll learn how to use and activate some essential tools in ArchiCAD. In this video, we will cover 8 tools extremely useful for our next videos. Tool 1. Show Organizer. Let's start with the Show Organizer tool. To show the organizer in ArchiCAD, go to View Palettes Organizer or use the keyboard shortcut F11. The organizer is a powerful tool that helps you manage and organize project information, including views, layouts, and drawings. Tool 2. Increase Toolbox. Next up is the Increase Toolbox tool. To increase the size of the toolbox in ArchiCAD, simply click and drag the right edge of the toolbox to the right. This will allow you to see more tools and options in the toolbox, improving your workflow and efficiency. Tool 3. Use Quick Layers. The Quick Layers tool is a powerful tool that allows you to easily and quickly turn on and off layers in ArchiCAD. To use the Quick Layers tool, go to Window Palettes Quick Layers or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L. This will open the Quick Layers palette, where you can turn layers on and off with a single click. Tool 4. Renovation Tools. The Renovation Tools in ArchiCAD are a powerful set of tools that allow you to manage and document renovation projects, including creating demolition plans and construction plans. To access the Renovation Tools in ArchiCAD, go to Design Renovation Palette or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Alt+R. Tool 5. Trace and Reference. The Trace and Reference tool in ArchiCAD enables you to bring external information into your project as a reference, such as site plans or other drawings. To use the Trace and Reference tool, go to File External Content, place External Drawing or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+T. Tool 6. Opening Views and Layouts in New Tabs. Opening views and layouts in new tabs is a handy tool that enables you to open multiple views and layouts in different tabs. To use this tool, simply right-click on a view or layout tab and select Open a New Tab from the context menu. Tool 7. Move Up Dialog Box tool. The Move Up Dialog Box tool in ArchiCAD enables you to move dialog boxes that might be obstructing your view of the model. To use this tool, simply click and drag the title bar of the dialog box to move it up or down. Tool 8. Save New Profile option. The Save New Profile option in ArchiCAD allows you to save a customized profile with your preferred settings, making it easier to work on similar projects in the future. To use this tool, go to Options Work Environment Profile Manager. In the Profile Manager, click on the New button to create a new profile, and then customize the settings according to your preferences. Once you've made all the desired changes, click on the Save button to save the new profile. From now on, you can easily switch between profiles to work on different projects with your preferred settings. And that's it for this tutorial on how to use and activate some essential tools in ArchiCAD. By mastering these tools, you can improve your workflow and efficiency, making it easier to design and manage your projects in ArchiCAD. Thank you for watching. Subscribe so you don't lose any of our future videos, and please leave a comment if there is any other useful tool that you would like to include in our template. See you in the next video.